Hello guys, welcome to my new channel. Welcome to the last video of the second video of my new Thomas and Friends All Engines Go Push Along collection. This is the last video to complete the collection. So yeah, this is my Thomas and Friends All Engines Go Push Along collection. This is my collection number 4. And let's get started with the engines to the Steamis engine and to the diesel engines. So please enjoy. So here is the first character of the new Thomas and Friends All Engines Co. So this is the first character. So first we have Thomas. Thomas has blue eyes. Thomas has 2 whistles. This is Thomas. Thomas is blue, and he has the number 1. Thomas has 6 wheels. I like it because it's really cool. His face is really cute, and I love it because it's one of the most characters to collect in. So that is cool. If you can see, here's the call of Thomas. Actually, the call of Thomas is just away over here. So this is the call of Thomas, and yeah, I have more ideas of this engine. And yeah, Thomas is very cool. I like it because it's a really engine. Thomas is a steam engine. Well, let's continue to the next steam engine. So that is Thomas. Next we have Nia. Nia is a steam engine. Nia is orange. And she has the number 18. Nia has 6 wheels just like Thomas. And Nia is very cute. Nia has orange eyes. If you can see, Nia has a water tanker. Nia has a light. Very cool. So yeah, I like it. If you can see, here's the call of Nia. The call is just away. She has African colors in through his bottom. Very cool. The call of Nia is really cool because I like it. Nia is a steam engine. She is friendly of Thomas. Thomas and Nia are friends because I like to love to these engines for the completing, and yeah, Thomas loves Nia and Nia loves Thomas. And yeah, it's very cool, Nia, because it's a really cool engine. Let's continue to the next engine. So that is Nia. Next we have Diesel. Alright, here is Diesel. Diesel has 6 wheels. Diesel has purple eyes. He is purple. Diesel is a diesel engine. He has 6 wheels just like Thomas and Nia. Diesel likes to race. He is square because it's really cool, and yeah, I also have this one. So Diesel is another character from All Engines Go. And yeah, Diesel has a really cool face, but his nose is on 3D. Is one of the most characters of the series of the new All Engines Go episodes. Okay, so let's continue to the final engine to complete this collection. So that is Diesel. Finally, we have Salty. Ahoy there, me hearties! Here is Salty. Diesel has a new light of the back. Here's Salty. Salty has 6 wheels, but his wheels are black. Salty is red. He has yellow and black stripes on his face. His eyes are red. Salty is square just like Diesel. Very cool. Here is the number of Salty, 2991. It's very cool. I like it because it's another engine to count and likes to count pirates over of the day. And you can see Salty of the back, he has a light, and of the light of Salty has yellow stripes and black stripes. Very cool. And Salty is really cool because it's a diesel engine too. Well, now let's complete this collection, and now let's moving to Salty back to Thomas. Salty, Diesel, Nia, and finally we have Thomas. Very cool these engines because I like it of the most collection all of today. And yeah, I have 4 engines because I grabbed the last video to complete 4 engines to my collection. Well, that is my Thomas and Friends All Engines Go Push Along collection number 4. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see another videos. And yeah, this is the end of my collection from these engines of the second video 1 to 4. And these engines are really cool. They are really useful engine. It's very cool my collection on this time. Each engine for everything on the different sizes. And that is my Thomas and Friends All Engines Go Push Along collection 1 to 4. Thank you very much for watching. Well, that is my Thomas and Friends All Engines Go Push Along collection. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you later. Goodbye.